Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. We have a Cobra 29 LTD Bluetooth for Ben in Florida. This is a repair report. This unit came in, the receiver was kind of coming in and out, he says. And what I found was the receiver was messed around with by somebody and the sensitivity was really low. And these controls were so dirty, the in and out was just on the whim that he got a strong signal it would come in and get over all this dirt and crud and everything. So once I got the dirt cleared up and all these controls and everything, he had some receive, but then the receive alignment brought it up another 6S units to fix it all up. So we got plenty of years in this unit. While someone's throwing a hanger out there, we can try see how this radio is doing on the watt meter. It's doing about 6 watts. Peak reading watt meter, 50 watt slug. Gonna be over here close to that 30.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. Audio.
See that joker's still out there throwing a hanger. Yep. Well, you can see it's receiving just fine and staying in there.